Welcome to Mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how to test the fuel pump and how to check the fuel pressure on a Mercedes, the diesel 3.0. This is known as the Om642 engine. This engine is found in a lot of sprinters on GL350s, ML350s, S350, BlueTech, and this is a very popular Mercedes engine. So if it's not starting, you will need to check to see if you got fuel pressure. So the fuel lines come right here, go into the filter right there, and then you have a sensor there, and then they come in here. This is the low side fuel pressure right here. So over here you need to have about 40 to about 60 or so to be able to start the engine. So right here we're using the Mechanic scanner. We've selected the vehicle. We'll press yes. And by the way, this is where your high pressure fuel pump is, and that could also go bad. But here, if you go under control modules, go to drive, control unit, fuel pump, we can go under live data and see what we're reading for the fuel pump. So you can see fuel pressure should be between 43 and 159. It's this right here, and it's reading 15 psi. Now you can cycle the ignition on and off, and it should turn on the fuel pump for a few seconds to prime the system, but keep an eye on this, see if it goes up. But if we disconnect this sensor right here, you can see the value went down to 0 because it's unplugged now. I'll plug it back. Okay. And it's reading that 15. Now we can go and activate the fuel pump. Go active tests, activate fuel pump, and you can see we're still seeing 15 psi. Press on to activate it. It's not. It should be raising. The pressure should go up, but it's not. So in this case, we suspect a faulty fuel pump. But that's how you can test and check the fuel pressure on a Mercedes. Now this is the diesel 3.0, but this will the same procedure will work on gasoline engines as well. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.